Hello everyone, I'm Katie with John Henry's. Come on into my kitchen today because I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know about our Polish sausage. Growing up with a Polish grandpa and a German grandma, we ate a lot of kielbasa. I didn't know until recently that the word kielbasa is actually the Polish word for sausage. Every holiday, and sometimes just because, my grandma would go to the Polish butcher and purchase some kielbasa for us. She would always get the fresh version. She would boil it in a stock pot and then pan fry it slowly in butter, and oh my gosh, it was amazing. Polish sausage is one of my favorite flavors of sausage, and it contains spices like salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, coriander, marjoram, mustard, allspice, and a small amount of evaporated cane juice. All of these flavors come together in our delicious ground pork to create a wonderful sausage. We've tried many seasoning blends over the years, and this one is definitely the closest to that old Polish butcher from years ago. The only difference I really notice about our sausage versus the sausage that we used to get when I was younger is that our sausage is leaner. Our pigs live an active lifestyle, and therefore our sausage is not fatty like those you will find other places. This does mean that you may have to cook it a little differently, but I'm still able to use my grandma's method of boiling and pan frying it in butter. Now, even though I have mostly been referring to our fresh Polish sausage, we do offer a smoked Polish sausage as well. As you can see here, they are different in color. Many times the fresh Polish sausage has this more grayish appearance, while the smoked sausage has this dark orangish red coloring. The smoked Polish sausage uses the same ground pork, spice blend, and casings as the fresh, but once the casings are full, they are added to a brine and then smoked for several hours, fully cooking the links. So if you're wanting to add Polish sausage to a dish to give it added flavor, you'll most likely want to purchase the smoked version. If you're looking for a sausage like your grandparents used to make that needs to be cooked before eating, you'll want to choose the fresh Polish sausage. Our Polish sausage is made using our ground pork with a blend of spices and packed into casings. Each package contains two 10-inch links that weigh between 3/4 pounds and 1 pound per package. Our pigs are raised here locally and are never given any antibiotics or hormones. Our fields and feed are never exposed to harsh chemicals or pesticides, and you can tell by the flavor and the quality of the meat that our animals live a happy and active life out on our farm. I hope that you enjoyed this little lesson in my kitchen today, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.